The reason why 99% of print-on-demand sellers fail is because if you're trying to make real money on Etsy with $20 products, the math gets ugly fast. A product can sell and still be a terrible business. If you want to get to 6K a month profit, you have to think different. Let me show you two different realities on the same platform, same type of seller, totally different math. And once you see this, you'll never think the same. What's up, guys? Dave here. Check the description for helpful links. Let's get started. Today, I want to show you some profit research with print on demand. The biggest concept that I want you to realize here today is that you're going to only be able to work X amount of hours per day and make X amount of listings per day. And the same amount of creativity and emotion and work will go into each one. What you sell determines how much money goes into your pocket. If you're selling 1,000 t-shirts, your profit is going to be different than if you sell 1,000 pieces of furniture or 1,000 blankets or 1,000 other items that sell much more. So I want to really demonstrate that. So Etsy, I want to research Etsy products where the price is higher than normal print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and basic posters. Search Etsy for personalized made-to-order giftable products that commonly sell between $50 and $100. Focus on products where the buyer is paying for personalization, emotional value, stuff like that. I'll put this whole prompt in the description below. I might even add it to the prompt library that is already available for free in the description below. Show me the strongest product types that you find. Okay, so I came up with this big table for us. I searched Etsy in the $50 to $100 range across wedding, et cetera, and it's telling us what it found. So personalized woven blankets, surprise, surprise, that's at the top. Anniversary keepsake boxes, pet memorial products, etc., and cutting boards, things like that. It's giving us, print-on-demand products that sell for more. The cleanest high-ticket POD style lane is personalized woven blankets. Now, this is it's somewhat saturated, absolutely. If you can find a new angle for it, then absolutely go into it. I'm not telling you to jump in and sell Mama Bear woven blankets. Please don't do that. You're not going to have a good time. But for the purpose of this illustration, we're going to skip niche research. We're doing profit research today, and we're using this, and it's saving us a lot of time. So on the next prompt that we're giving it is, all right, based on the Etsy products we found, compare the woven blankets, big family signs, and cutting boards against a typical $25 print-on-demand t-shirt. Assume the goal is $6,000 per month in profit. Use Printify's pricing. I added that in there from what ChatGPT made for me for this video, but I wanted it to use Printify's pricing to root it and anchor it in real reality, right? Not just ChatGPT's hallucination of what it thinks things are. All right, so now we have what it popped out. Yes, this makes a point really clearly. I'm assuming a US Etsy seller, free shipping baked into the item price, no Etsy ads, no offsite ads, no refunds, remakes, etc. Etsy's base fees, all that. And it's using Printify's public catalog, confirms these product types exist in the relevant lanes. It gives us the Bella Canvas 3001 tee, 100% cotton woven blanket, and other such items. So for a $6,000 per month profit comparison, this is what I want you to realize if you're considering a second store or a brand new store, is that $6,000 a month, $10,000 a month in real profit, it means a lot different things for different products. And a lot of people jump into print on demand with mugs and t-shirts, and you're going to be working a lot for the same amount of money compared to if you're selling higher ticket POD prices. So typical POD shirt, realistic selling price, $25. The cost, $14 to $17, rough Etsy ad fee, $2.83, profit per sale, $6 to $8, give or take some on both ends. Sales needed for $6,000 a month profit, up to 750 to 1,000 sales per month. Let's look at the personalized woven blanket. Guys, if you don't have an email list, you're putting yourself at risk, which is why I've partnered with OmniSend. One of the biggest mistakes Etsy sellers make is building their entire business on Etsy and nowhere else. Etsy can bring you customers, but you don't control the platform, the algorithm, or how many of those customers you can actually reach later. If Etsy is the only way you can communicate with your audience, you are putting your entire business at risk. That is why you need to start building an email list. OmniSend makes this extremely easy. You can can use their landing page builder to create a simple sign up page where everybody can join your email list. This is the most important step to having financial freedom outside of Etsy. ChatGPT and Claude can be integrated with OmniSend via their MCP integration. So you can ask questions, plan, and do deep analytics to make big decisions. This will help you plan amazing campaigns, execute, and make more sales using this connection. If you already do have an email service, OmniSend will literally help you migrate over for 5 days for free. If you're unhappy with your current provider, this is definitely the way to go. Check the link in my description. Knowing your own personal routine, knowing your own personal life, how much time will you be able to spend? That's the real question. Your time and your effort is going to be capped at a certain amount, but the amount of sales can be less to get to a higher amount of profit. Very powerful comparison, very powerful realization that I want you to have. Here's a cleaner middle of the road table that it made for us as well, right below it. 900 sales estimated for t-shirts, 345 sales estimated for a woven blanket where you're making $17.42 per sale versus $667. A big family sign, $37 profit. A cutting board, $21. Now, outside of Printify, there's plenty of other print providers, and you can even get really smart with it and find print providers that aren't massively advertised to everybody that wants to make money online. There are print partners that you can find that are making things that nobody else sells, and there's not 1,000 other people printing on the same exact things. Keep that in mind. So taking the exact t-shirt numbers with a $25 price that you're selling it to your customer, let's say it costs you $10.50, and let's say you're shipping it for a moderate $5 shipping cost, right? Pretty moderate, pretty conservative. The fees for that alone will be $283. And your profit is $667. So if you really want to profit $5 per sale with Etsy ads, then you're required to make a 14 ROAS. That's $1.67 per sale, your cost per purchase. So that's almost impossible to achieve on average at scale, a 14 ROAS on Etsy ads. So let's, more realistically, you're going to be profiting even $1 is a 4 ROAS. So you got to be careful with your t-shirts. And if you don't know your numbers, come into the Add to Cart SEO CPA and ROAS calculator. You can use it once per day or unlimited if you sign up. Let's take the woven blanket numbers that it gave us and put it into the calculator. Item price 78, cost 42, shipping paid by you because you want to do free shipping, $9, and you're in the USA. You can change it to whatever country you're in on here. And your true profit is 1914. So that profit is more healthy to actually run some Etsy ads. If you want to profit $5 per sale, that's a 5 ROAS, and that is a $14 cost per purchase, which is high. Let's say you want to profit $10, that's an 8 ROAS. Let's say you want to profit $15, that's a 15 ROAS. Now, keep that in mind, and then you can run your actual ad numbers down here below. So hitting 6K per month profit is a really, really good goal, and you want to go up from there, obviously. However, the how you get there is equally very important as well. And a lot of people don't understand that or consider that when they're jumping into print on demand. So whether you're starting your second store or your first store, I hope this illustration helped you. If you want to check out any of the things I talked about today, check the description, and I hope you have a beautiful day.